My name is Rupert Owen. I'm on the CommuniCast Myanmar exhibition stand at CommuniCasia in Singapore. Good morning and welcome. I'm with Min Zeyar Hlaing, who is Vice President of the Myanmar Computer Federation and President of the MCIA, and very involved in all the activities in telecoms and ICT development in Myanmar. Min, can you tell me how the new government is settling in, and how do you believe the industry is going to be able to respond to the new opportunities in the market?
Okay, thank you for having me. We are here to, in this exhibition, we are here to promote Myanmar together with you to have an international exhibition, ICT exhibition in November. So with the new government, because it's new, they just came into power like 1st April. So they are looking at a lot of things to improve. So with the ICT sector, because we have Myanmar Computer Federation and Myanmar Computer Industry Association and Professional Association, we are preparing master plan ICT development report for the government to understand the current situation of the ICT industry in Myanmar, and then how to improve and what are the things that we should be doing to use ICT as a government as well as for the development of the country. Yeah.
And since the awarding of the 3 major licenses and the awarding of a 4th license in the mobile sector, I understand that mobile penetration is now over 70%.
Yeah.
Is that already having an impact on the way in which businesses are responding to the opportunity?
Yes, certainly yes, because with these 3 operators, including MPT, penetration is about 75% already, and I would say we have a ground to work with, in terms of the connectivity. So like countrywide. So like I think it's a good opportunity for the enterprise, market to grow, leverage on the infrastructure that this operator has built for the last 1.5 years, 2 years.
And broadband, I understand, is developing very fast, and a whole lot of new services are about to be launched. Can you tell me more about that?
Yes, broadband perspective, I think, like I said, because of these 3 operators, infrastructure is there, and then broadband new ISPs, service providers are coming up and preparing to launch new service, and then recently like satellite services, gateway and all that are ready to be utilized in Myanmar. So I think all we need is the last mile access network sort of environment in Myanmar. We have a backbone infrastructure is already there. So I think broadband is a good opportunity in Myanmar. Yeah.
And in terms of content as well, is there a growing market and opportunity for the content providers?
For the content providers, yes, definitely. Anything to do with Myanmar content is a good opportunity, because Myanmar at this moment we don't have much contact for Myanmar people.
Right.
So if you have ideas to create Myanmar apps, anything for Myanmar people is a good opportunity.
And moving into the entertainment business, do you see there's a new broadcasting law, I believe, in Parliament waiting. Is that something that's in the making and covered by the ICT plan, or is that completely separate?
It is totally separate. It's not broadcasting. It's not part of our plan. So we have very limited knowledge about what's happening over there, but it's all part of the content creation. I would say, because it will come with the content. But when even for the broadcast, you don't have much Myanmar content as well to broadcast. Very limited resources available. So when it comes to content, anything to do with Myanmar content for Myanmar people, there's a huge opportunity there.
Right. So for international companies looking for an exciting new market in Asia, there are opportunities across the whole board. I mean, your company, one of your companies is very involved, and what particular areas of growth are you looking for as a company?
Okay, as my company, I'm looking at enterprise IT infrastructure and services. So because enterprise market is getting bigger, and then because of the current existing infrastructure, enterprises now, companies in Myanmar are starting to realize the importance of the IT infrastructure and services. So local company as well as foreign company. Foreign companies, they will come and set up. They will need an office structure, IT infrastructure, with good internet, speed. So we, as a company, we are looking at the enterprise. How can we support the enterprise to have a better ICT infrastructure and services?
Myanmar has the advantage of maybe being the last mover in the digital space. Do you think because of its late move, the technologies are going to enable it to jump ahead very quickly, or are there certain restraints that might hold it back?
No, I think we definitely have an advantage to leapfrog, go straight into new technology. But of course, depending on the project that you do, you need to look at what is the right technology to use. Even though you can jump straight into it, you have to evaluate the technology, what is best for the country, for the type of project that you're doing. So we do have an advantage in that space, for sure, definitely.
And to support all this infrastructure, I'm informed that data centers and data center build-out is expanding very quickly. Is that something that you're involved with as well?
Data center is another hot topic in Myanmar, and then and the interesting one is during opening ceremony yesterday, the Telecom Infocom Minister mentioned about tropical data center in Singapore. They're testing a tropical data center. So that's very new. But normal data center, if we can talk about it for now, that is an area that we are looking at. How can we involve and provide such a international standard data center service in Myanmar. That's another big opportunity because everything is cloud service in worldwide. But in Myanmar, we don't. Before we go to cloud, like for example, we can go to cloud, but for some enterprises or some companies, they don't like cloud. They want to be, on-premises type of solution. So like I said before, we can leapfrog into cloud, but depending on the type of business and the project that we do, we might have to go to on-site data center, as well.
Well, great, Min. Thank you for your time. It's been a great pleasure seeing you again.
Yes.
And we'd very much look forward to CommuniCast Myanmar and the ICT exhibition, which is held in Yangon from the 15th to the 17th of November this year. Thank you very much. Thank you, Min.